Hi, La Follette. My name is Miss Douglas, and I am the Southern Neighborhood Coordinator. I'm here today to tell you everything you need to know about attendance in this virtual setting. So first of all, how is attendance taken on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays? Those are our synchronous live days. During those days, your teachers will take attendance when you're in their live synchronous Zoom sessions. There are no tardies, so you just need to attend for at least part of the time. We encourage you to be there for the whole time so you get the whole lesson. However, if something comes up and you're not able to attend, please reach out to your teacher by email or by phone. Preferably, you're going to reach out to them ahead of time and let them know you can't make it. But if something comes up, try to let them know that same day before 3:30 so they can make sure you have accurate attendance. On Wednesdays, those are our asynchronous days where it's all individual work and there's no required live sessions you go to. All of your teachers are going to have an attendance question that's posted in Google Classroom. This question will be super quick. It might be content related, a review of something you learned, or it might be a check-in to see how you're doing, how you're feeling, what you need, or possibly it's something a little silly or a question where they're trying to learn a little bit more about you. The goal for you, just like on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays, is to have all of your attendance questions in all of your classes complete by 3:30 on Wednesdays, again, so your teachers can make sure you get marked present for that day. Some of you have study halls or guided study on your schedule. If you have a study hall, this is a class that's not for credit, so no attendance is taken. You'll also notice you have no teacher assigned to you. However, if you have guided study on your schedule, attendance is taken for this class. You have a teacher assigned to you and you receive credit. So attendance is taken for guided study. That's what I've got for you around attendance right now. If you have any questions, please ask your teachers. Please reach out to one of your neighborhood staff. And of course, you have your virtual mentor to support you. See you later, Lancers.